This is a very interesting topic, and it is going to be mathematical, and the basics already we know that. So two bandwidth estimation techniques are there. One is open circuit and short circuit method. You know, in open circuit, current is zero, voltage is non-zero, and short circuit, current is maximum and voltage is going to be zero. So in open circuit, it provides the high frequency roll-off. That is, if in an amplifier you have, it will have a graph like this, right? You have FL and FH. So open circuit provides an estimate of this frequency FH, and short circuit provides an estimate of the lower frequency FL. For any system, if you use OC method, you can find the estimate of the higher cutoff frequency or the upper cutoff frequency, what is referred here. So actually in syllabus, it is given only open circuit. So I have written the notes for both OC and SC. So I will teach OC, and SC is going to be same thing. Only thing, the difference will be in the mathematical part. So I leave that study to syllabus. Short circuit time constant is not specifically mentioned, but generally when you read OC, it is a practice to read SC also. So I will concentrate on OC concepts, and please, I leave the reading of SC to you. Okay, please go through the same, and if you have any doubts, I will help you. So the method of OC constant was based on zero value time constant. It was developed in MIT. So it is going to provide us the estimate of bandwidth. You know, bandwidth is approximately equal to the upper cutoff frequency, FH. So FL minus FH, but when FL is very small, it is approximately equal to FH. So this technique will give you the estimate of